the first time I really thought about the Bodega Marine Lab. It was after the summer session from last year. I had two friends that had participated in the sessions, and they both had such a good time. And hearing about that and then talking to them personally, I definitely had to go and see it for myself. Hi, my name is Michael Brito, and I am a fourth year marine and coastal science major with an emphasis in marine ecology and organismal biology. Being at BML is completely different than what you would expect from a class on campus. You are 100% immersed in not only the classes, but the research that's happening here. My favorite thing is always going to be tide pooling. Like every time we went tide pooling in Eric Sanford's class, we always woke up super early, just basically roll out of bed, put on your boots because you don't want to get wet, and we trailed down to the rocky intertidal. And it was really early in the morning, the sun was still coming up, the sky is a shimmering blue. Sometimes you can't even tell where the ocean and the sky stop or meet because of how early it is in the morning. The classes and the professors here at BML, they provide an experience that is not going to be in any way comparable to what you find on campus. It's super immersive, and you get the chance to learn about the ocean with the ocean as your backyard. Every class I've taken, we go on trips around the Bodega Marine Reserve. We've gone on the research vehicle and gone out to the bay to collect data samples, and then we later work with it. We're really going into the nitty-gritty of what it means to be a scientist instead of just kind of reading out of a textbook. I realized now that as I was growing up, the way I placed myself in the scientific environment I didn't feel like I belonged in it. My parents came from Mexico. My dad only had a elementary school education. My mom didn't graduate high school. And I remember one time in 5th grade, after coming home from school and learning about the ocean, I said I wanted to be a marine biologist, and given my parents' background and how they grew up, it wasn't something that they thought was very possible for me or an option. I feel like BML has given me the chance to kind of have the tools to do what I want and kind of show that I'm passionate about marine science. As a aspiring scientist, I would say that I do have the evidence now to prove to myself that I do belong here, and that imposter syndrome, just kick it out of the way.